G'day you legend, and thank you so much for checking out the Why Not Crunch hoodie. Now, I've spent a lot of time and effort, much like the tee, into making sure that this print looks as good as it possibly can, but also with an eco-friendly product. So unfortunately, I was unable to get a 100% organic cotton. So I went with an 85% organic cotton and a 15% recycled polyester. So when you're purchasing this, you know that it's still sustainable. Also, the print that comes out on this hoodie is a little bit more distressed than it might look on the t-shirt, and that's just because of the materials that it's printed on. Now, much like the t-shirt, because it comes from the same manufacturer, they use European sizing. So this is actually a large when I usually would wear a medium. So if you usually wear large, I would be looking at getting the extra large. I don't know, maybe they just don't eat as much over in Europe. Also, because it's primarily cotton, it will shrink. And with hoodies, I really do like to get a kind of size up from the size up. So if I was to purchase this again, I might look at getting an extra large. And then that would just mean that any shrinkage would be able to be incorporated. So when I was selecting this hoodie, I wanted something that was a bit more heavier because that's just what I like. Otherwise, mate, hit that buy button. And thank you so much for supporting the ThinkLIST channel.